y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be doing a 5-minute no makeup look. It's super convenient because it's quick, and I think it's perfect for when you're running late, you're going to an event and you don't want to wear that much makeup but you still want to look presentable. This is the perfect makeup look. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, I'm starting with a clean, hydrated face. No matter what kind of makeup you're doing, you have to hydrate your face, because remember, dry skin equals patchy makeup. Also remember to prime your face. It will just give your makeup something to hold on to, and yeah, just make it last all day. After applying primer, I am going in with this Glamour styling gel. I use this for my eyebrows. As you guys can see, I've got thick eyebrows, so this helps them stick down. And I start by brushing them to the opposite side, then brush them to the direction that I want them to go in. My eyebrows are already looking good, so I just go in with a little bit of eyebrow pencil just to fill them up, but I don't really do too much, honestly. I just want to make this one as long as this one. Do that, and as you guys can see, they look the same now. So yeah, they look like cousins, but it don't matter, girl, it don't matter. Next up, going in with my ultimate fave, this is the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I'm gonna use this to cuff out my eyebrows. When I'm cuffing out my eyebrows, I don't speak. I've got nothing to say. I need to focus. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation, and honestly, I'm just gonna use the leftover product because I don't think I need that much makeup for this look. I really like the fact that this foundation gives me a natural finish. This is literally like applying another layer of skin. Look at that, it just elevated my skin. Next up, we're going in with this Fushini cheek and lip tint. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that. So because we're trying to keep this as natural as possible, we're using minimal product. Next up, I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me foundation. I got this in a darker shade than my normal shade to use it as bronzer. Oh, I can already see the vision. Very minimal nose contour. Next up, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just gonna do little dots. I'm not gonna apply it as much as I do when I'm doing a full beat. And I'm gonna blend from bottom up. We used minimal product and it looks perfect. Like, honestly, I could even rock it like this. I'm gonna take this buff brush and just blend where I see harsh lines. This is as minimal as it can get, okay? In this house, this is as minimal as it can get. Nothing less than this, honestly. Okay, you guys, that's all for the cream products. We're gonna move on to powders. Next up, I'm gonna go in with this Catrice Soft Blur translucent powder. I'm gonna dip the powder puff in there, work it on my hands to make sure that the powder puff is equally coated. Okay, and then we're gonna blend our under eye, and I'm gonna set and then set. This powder is just too good. Next up, I'm going in with this Fushini compact powder. We want to add dimension to the face but still keeping it cute and minimal. And I'm going to take my beauty blender, dip it into my translucent powder, work it out at the back of my hand and tap it. And my favorite step of all time, blush. Makeup Revolution's Blusher Reloaded in the shade Ballerina. Obviously bringing out my favorite brush too. Put it at the highest point of my face. So right here. And I'm putting a little bit, like, I do want it to show, but like I want it to be very subtle. Take it and dip it again and just sweep it on my eyes like so. And that is both my blush and my eyeshadow complete. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, tap it, dust off the excess, tap the other side, dust off the excess, sweep it under my eyes. With my Maybelline Lasting Fix, this setting spray helps me melt all the powders together. Add another layer of setting spray. Not too much now, not too much. I'm gonna go in with this Catrice Glam and Doll mascara. I'm gonna use it for my lower lashes. Going in with my She Glam Soft Lip Liner, I think it's called. Oh, So Lippy Lip Liner. Going in with my MAC Glossy Stick. Then I'm gonna go in with the Scarlet Hill Lip Oil in the shade Granadilla. And the last step, I'm gonna use this Revolution Super Fix Setting Spray to make sure that this makeup is holding. Okay y'all, this is how the makeup look turned out. What do you guys think? I think it looks perfect, especially if you're going for that no makeup look. This definitely works. It literally looks like I have minimal to no makeup. I'm really in love with my eyebrows. I actually cannot believe these are my natural eyebrows. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. But yeah, this is how the makeup look turned out.